Did you know that 93% of online shoppers say product visuals are the key deciding factor in a purchase? In today's digital marketplace, great visuals aren't just nice to have, they're essential to standing out and converting customers. That's why Gelato created Magic Mockups, the fastest way to generate stunning, realistic product visuals for your store, without any design skills needed. From t-shirts and hoodies to posters and mugs, visualize how your designs look in use and publish them straight to your store. Let's make one together. I'm Archie, and welcome to Gelato Academy. I want to sell a mug on my Etsy store, inspired by all the delicious treats I enjoy while I have my coffee. Let's find a mug in Gelato's product catalog.
This one is great. I love the split color with the red on the handle and inside the mug. You don't need to be an artist to sell with Gelato. There are plenty of free graphics available in the Design Maker. Let's look at this pastry collection. Designing is so easy, I just need to drag and drop the images in. I can resize and rotate them. Great, my mug design is ready. Now, let's head to mockups. There's already a selection of mockups available, including these clean e-commerce shots. I'm looking for something more attention-grabbing. That's where Magic Mockups comes in. Select Magic Mockups. You can make a magic mockup from a text-written prompt or based on one of your previous mockups, or you can upload your own reference image. You can also choose a preset scene style that Gelato has developed, including desk settings, floating shots, or abstract worlds. I want to write my own. Let's see this mug in a cafe surrounded by cupcakes and pastries. When you're happy with your prompt, select Generate Mockup. In a few seconds, your design comes to life. This looks so photorealistic, like I paid a professional product photographer to capture this scene. But I didn't. It was free. If you want to try again, hit the back arrow and edit your prompt. If you're happy, select Add Mockup. You can then continue to product details and pricing before publishing your product with this thumb-stopping visual. Your listing is automatically published to your e-commerce store with direct connections to Etsy, Shopify, Wix, and more.
And with these amazing visuals, I'm sure we'll catch a few scrolling thumbs and convert them into sales. Try Magic Mockups for yourself, publish them to your online store, and share them on your social media. We also love to see what you create, so remember to share your Magic Mockups with our community. Head to gelato.com/community to join our Discord and share them with sellers around the world. Thanks for watching.